Hello guys. So if you're looking to connect your Printify website to Etsy, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now it's a very simple process. So all you have to do is just simply go to your browser and log into your Etsy account. So after you have done that, click on your profile icon and click on sell on Etsy and become a seller on Etsy. So after that, scroll down and click on open your Etsy store. After that, just simply click on let's do this. Click on skip, and after that, when you come to this particular criteria over here, you have to complete all the steps shown to you over here. So after you have completed all of your steps, which might take you 3 to 5 days, because it will make a transaction into your bank account of a certain amount to verify your bank account. So that process might take 3 to 5 days, so just simply be patient. So after that process is complete, just simply log into Printify. Then after logging into Printify, just simply go to Droppits or the drop box at the top right corner, and after that click on manage my store, click on add new store, and after that, when you're in the connection page, before clicking on connect, firstly what you have to do is go to your browser and log in with your Etsy account, and make sure to log in before click on connect. So after you have logged in, click on connect on Etsy, and after that it will redirect you to a Etsy page. So over there, all you have to do is just simply click on allow access. So click on allow access, and after that you can directly publish anything from your store on Etsy. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.